It's a deal that turned out to be too good to be true. Travelers were left at home with vouchers that were suddenly worthless.
Now the woman accused of carrying out the scheme faces federal charges. If convicted on all counts, she could be sentenced to hundreds of years in prison. Good evening, I'm Jennifer Griswold.
And I'm Craig DeGrelli. Today, that suspect, Patricia Ubanovsky of Omaha, told a judge she's not guilty. Senior reporter Jake Wazakowski was in court. He's live for us tonight. Jake.
Well, Jen and Craig, this case hits all of Omaha, all of Nebraska, and even surrounding states. Today, Ubanovsky faces the most serious charges to date. Patricia Ubanovsky, the owner of Creative Creations, pleads not guilty in federal court this afternoon to 16 counts of wire fraud and 9 counts of money laundering. If convicted, she faces up to 365 years in federal prison. The indictment alleges more than $4.5 million was defrauded from customers. Prosecutors will turn over 100,000 pages of documents.
They subpoenaed all of her bank records, all of the business records. So I'm guessing that's what it is.
The indictment says Ubanovsky ran her travel voucher business similar to a Ponzi scheme. They claim she'd sell travel vouchers for discounted prices, knowing the flights actually cost more. The indictment indicates for more than a year, starting in 2014, she told people it wasn't a scam and had a connection at Southwest Airlines to discounted rates. The indictment says it came crashing down in the spring of 2015 with customers out of hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Loeffler says she made mistakes, but they weren't criminal.
As corny as this is, because God, I hate it when I listen to other lawyers say this, I really can't wait till we get to trial and we can kind of show our side of things. And I'm not going to tell you what that side of things is yet, but I can't imagine we're going to work out any kind of deals here.
Ubanovsky also has faced charges in state court. She posted 10% of a $100,000 bond there. Federal prosecutors released her here today, but there is a long list of stipulations that she has to follow to be out on her own, including she has to stay in the state. She gave up her passport. She can't excessively use alcohol. Also, she has to have her finances monitored and have all of her financial transactions under an audit, anything that she's been through recently. Reporting live outside the federal courthouse in downtown Omaha, Jake Wazakowski, KMTV Action 3 News.